Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Nasution and I am a Master of Pharmacy student at University of North Sumatra, Medan, Indonesia. Today, I'd like to talk to you about my poster and the subject of my presentation is a review article Phytochemical and Pharmacological study of Asam Kandis, Garcinia, cowa. And hopefully this will act as a scientific information for you. I plan to speak for about 3 to 4 minutes, so let's get started. Introduction. Garcinia cowa cruciaceae is generally known as Asam Kandis in Indonesia and Chamwang in Thailand. This plant has been widely used by local people in almost all its parts, such as stem bark, leaves, fruit, rind, latex, twig, and roots. In Indonesia, the dried fruit of this plant is used as a cooking spice, while in other countries such as Thailand, brewed water from the bark of this plant is used to reduce heat. The leaves and fruit have also been used to improve blood circulation. This plant is rich in secondary metabolites, especially phenolic, terpenes, flavonoids, stearate, dapsiden, xanthans, and fluoroglucinol. Until now, this plant is still being researched because it is not only widely used traditionally, but also has potential pharmacological activity. Literature studies. The method used in this article is a narrative review of scientific journals, both national and international. The sources used in collecting journals are Google Scholar and various other journal provider sites such as PubMed, InCBI, Elsevier, ResearchGate, and so on. The Prisma 2020 flow diagram was also applied. Let's talk about the phytochemical study of Garcinia cowa. Characterization of chemical compounds in Garcinia cowa was carried out by phytochemical screening on its extract. Let's take a look at the table 1, phytochemical test result of Garcinia cowa. As we can see from these several articles, it is known that Garcinia cowa contains many chemical compounds such as tetraphenyl toluquinone, rubroxanthin, alpha-mangosteen, camphorol, vitexin, isovitexin, kaonin, gallic acid, emmental-flavone, and stigmasterol. And what about the pharmacological study? The following are some of the pharmacological activities of Garcinia cowa. Let's take a look at the table 2, pharmacological activity of Garcinia cowa. From these articles, we can see that the Garcinia cowa has anti-cancer activity using the MTT method and antioxidant activity using the DPPH method. In addition, the Garcinia cowa leaf extract induces a concentration-dependent relaxation of both endothelium intact and the endothelium denuded aortic rings pre-contracted with phenylephrine, which makes Garcinia cowa have a vasorelaxant effect. On the other hand, Garcinia cowa has also antibacterial activity against foodborne pathogens and spoilage bacteria, which can be seen from the MIC value, which is around 15 to 500 micrograms per milliliters. So, from this article, we can conclude that Garcinia cowa is rich in secondary metabolites such as xanthans, tetraphenyl toluquinone, phenolics, flavonoids, stearate, etc. in all its parts and has very potential pharmacological activity so that it can be used as a drug candidate in the future. Thank you for watching. See you next time.